I am dropping in today to tell you about my wonderful offer for my on-demand classes. So there's over 60 at the moment classes, Pilates, yoga, meditation, and that is including my posture reset course, my PilatEase course, which has got the seated fitness part to it, the mini workshops that I did, so the healthy happy knees, the healthy happy spine. I'm going to be adding to that healthy happy hips. What else is included in there? Posture reset, got full yoga classes, so a full 60 and 90 minute classes. The 90-minute classes got a half-hour meditation at the end of it. The Midday Mobility that I'm running at lunchtimes on a Wednesday just now, those class recordings are all included. There are other mobility sessions included, there are full Pilates classes included, there are Pilates blasts, so little 10-minute workouts if you don't want to do a full class, or if you want something a little bit more intense but short and sweet, those are there. I also, on request, will record a session for you. So I've got a couple of clients who'll be like, oh, I've been really enjoying this one, but I'm getting a wee bit bored doing it, so could you maybe do something with? And there's workouts there for absolute beginners. In fact, I know the Pilates beginners technique videos, and their beginners classes are on there as well. There are also classes using equipment, so resistance bands, balls, light weights. So there's something for whatever your need is, from absolute beginner to somebody who's wanting to do those short, sharp bursts of exercise, to somebody who's wanting to do a full class when you can't get along to my timetabled classes, because my timetable does not suit everybody. It suits me as it should. So yeah, for up until the end of November, I am offering the on-demand as an annual package, so you're getting 2 months free when you pay for the year up front. So that means instead of $9.99 a month, it is £99 for the entire year. If that sounds like something that you need in your life, then get signed up. I'm going to point here. I don't know where the link will be. It will definitely be on the end screen, and it will definitely be in the Linktree link and in the comments.